Hi there, this is Diamond with the WTI, and if you're looking for a case for your tablet, I absolutely love this one. It is so gorgeous in person. I absolutely love this color and the features that are included. Let me show you guys what is my favorite. So my iPad fits very secure in here, and what I like most of all is that you could charge the pencil and it will not fall, but it does have a place to put your pencil inside, so it makes it look that much more chic, not bulky at all. As you can see here, it's very flat, and the texture of this is really nice, smooth. I feel like my iPad is protected and it looks so adorable. I love it. It fits in any of my bags. So if you're looking for something for your tablet that is going to protect it, yet looks stylish, I do recommend this. I absolutely love it. I know you will too, but that is just our point of view.